Qazaq Kaolin is advancing the industrial development of the Alekseevskoye Kaolin deposit in Kazakhstan's Akmola region, one of the largest kaolin deposits in Central Asia. The project is transforming a major mineral resource into a modern industrial platform for processed mineral products, export capacity, and downstream value-added manufacturing. After mining operations stopped in 1996, the site remained inactive for nearly 3 decades, while much of its industrial infrastructure was lost. Today, Qazaq Kaolin is restoring industrial activity through the development of a new integrated mining and beneficiation complex. The project has been built from the ground up, from infrastructure restoration to the commissioning of a modern wet beneficiation plant. More than $25 million has been invested through private capital and commercial bank financing. At the core of the production process are advanced technological solutions from Germany's AKW Apparate, plus Verfahren GmbH, integrated with automated process control systems. The processing technology is designed to reduce water and energy consumption and support a near-zero waste production model. The plant has completed technical commissioning, and the first marketable batches of beneficiated kaolin have already been produced. Since 2018, the project has contributed more than $2 million in taxes and other payments. Local content in procurement has reached 96%, with more than 150 local companies involved as suppliers and contractors. Approximately 700 people were engaged during the construction phase. At full capacity, the facility is expected to create up to 90 permanent skilled jobs. More than $1.5 million has also been invested in the modernization of local power infrastructure. Substation capacity has been tripled, improving the reliability of electricity supply for both the plant and nearby communities. At full production capacity, the facility will be able to produce more than 90,000 tons of beneficiated kaolin annually, alongside comparable volumes of purified and classified quartz sands. The project supports the development of Kazakhstan's downstream manufacturing industries: tiles, sanitary ware, tableware, paper, refractories, and other value-added industrial applications. Its products are intended for both the domestic market and export markets, including Russia, China, Central Asia, the CIS region, and broader international markets. Qazaq Kaolin is being developed as a private industrial cluster, integrating mining, beneficiation, and future higher value-added mineral processing. The project represents a new generation of industrial development in Kazakhstan, export-oriented, technology-driven, and focused on long-term industrial value creation. Qazaq Kaolin, reviving resources, building industry, creating long-term value.